Jack here. Today we're in Deutsch Park in Pahrump, Nevada for the annual Hot Air Balloon Festival. Today marks a significant day in history as today is May 1st, 2021 and Nevada is 100% open for business. The Hot Air Balloon Festival is an annual event here in Pahrump, Nevada. Last year it was canceled due to the world craziness, but today they're allowing it to go on. Now, although the state of Nevada is open 100%, the tickets went on sale before that date. Therefore, they're limited capacity at this event to about 1,700 people every 4 hours. My ticket time is for 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. With that said, let's go inside, see what's going down. As of today, May 1st, 2021, this sign is no longer relevant. It's like the previous sign mentioned. These spray and painted notices of 6 feet and social distance are no longer relevant as of today. This is out front of a snack shack at the Little League Park. If you're visiting the area with your dog, they ask that you keep your dogs off the playing field. I was told by the local sheriff volunteer the reason why there aren't any balloons in the air is due to the gusting winds. As we can see here with these windsocks and pinwheels from this vendor, it is quite gusty out here today. All right, well, we've checked in through the gate. Let's walk around, see what we got here. There was controversy regarding this balloon event today because of 4 Little League games that are on schedule. As we can see, not affected as the Little League is getting ready to play their game, getting all warmed up. And behind us, the balloon festival is going on. A vendor named Daryl, here's his information here. Daryl's a Vietnam vet, and there's his email address. I'm going to walk around and show you what he creates. If you like any of this stuff, go ahead and email him. I'll leave his email address in the description of this video. He makes all this stuff in his home. Various planters. Here's something quite ingenious. Cup holder. If you sit in your backyard or just watching outside, you can put your cups in there, your cans, your bottles. I'll hold them for you. He's got benches. All this stuff is fairly priced. Here's a outdoor trash can. And if you're a Raiders fan, put your Raiders sign on there. Here's some unique tables made out of old road signs. Sells coat bags for the various local teams and also those of the armed services. He's got stuff for your furry pet. Daryl's Creative Ways. If you like any of his stuff you've seen on the video, drop him an email. Out here in the shady part of the park is where all the food vendors are set up. And a bag blowing in the breeze. Before I could walk over, this gentleman came over and grabbed the bag that was blowing across the grass, and he's disposing of it properly. In the park is this memorial skate park. Got a kid over here shredding it early. There he goes. On the back side of the skate park are boards that didn't survive it. Here are some real neat looking pinwheels, and with the gust of winds today, they are spinning around and showing off. With the gust of winds, it looks like these are the only balloons that we are going to see. This vendor's selling bags. This one has my name on it. Have bags for some of the local sports teams and some of those who aren't so local.
We wanted to come today because of the balloons in the car show, and now the balloons aren't going to go on, and the car show is down the street.
All the rides that we see are supplied by a local Carnival vendor here in Pahrump. These are rides you may see at your local carnivals in Western United States, as they supply the rides for quite a few carnival events. Infamous Zipper getting its warm up and safety checks done before the big ride day begins. Here's another ride getting warmed up for the busy day. Personal favorite, they call it here the yo-yo. It's a swing ride. They're doing the preparatory steps to get the ride open for the day. Ride getting ready to open for the day. Going through its morning preparatory checks. Well, it doesn't look like this attraction is going to happen today. This is called the Ring of Fire, where the ride goes round in the big ring. But it's down for maintenance. It won't be working today. We're eagerly awaiting the opening of the ticket booth. Happens in a couple minutes here. And once those open up, all these fine rides that we've looked at will be open. Tickets was $1 a ticket, so I got 11 tickets. There's 3 rides I want to go on. I found out that the yo-yo, I can't film on that, so I'm not going to go on the yo-yo as I originally planned. But there's a couple other things I want to go on. There's a fun house over here, there's a slide, and there's a strawberry ride. So we'll check all 3 of those out. All right, we're going to go into the fun house here. We start off with a glass maze. See if we can walk through. Where will it end? Dead end, dead end. Whoops. Turn around. Go that way. There you go. All these dead ends. And finally, find the stairs. Up the stairs to the 2nd level. See what we got. Kids are loving this. This big kid's loving it too. Oh, we're up here. We got various mirrors to look at. Look at this guy. Yep. We go here. Crazy. This one took a spill. It's got a crack in it. Got this one. This one. This one here, which gives me head up here and feet. And the last one is here. Sit down, slide feet first. Keep your arms and legs tight to your body. Here we go. Here's a slide. Get on a gunny sack or a pad and slide down. Check this out. We have our pad. There goes one face first, right down. We'll walk up the stairs here and we'll see what we get. These slides are so much fun. If you've never gone on one, you need to make it your next thing you do. Here we go. That was worth the price of admission. Round and around we go. Where we stop, nobody knows. This is a strawberry ride. It's all the world's biggest strawberry. Go around in circles. This is what these fairs are all about. Just come out, have a good time, ride a few rides. Heck yeah. Off the ride we go. Exit's over there. That's going to do it for our visit to the 2021 Pahrump Valley Hot Air Balloon Festival. If you haven't come out to this event and you're in the area, you've got to try it out. It's a lot of fun. Rides, attractions, and minus the balloons today because of the gusting winds, it's been a great time. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.